everyone, and I have some explaining to do. So here is a quick update, and as you probably saw by the title of the video, not a necessarily good one for me to come out with this video for because I was just recently in a car crash. That is what brings me to making this video today, but at the same time I wanted to inform you about what's happening with my life, and in addition, not only to that, but other things that are happening with me. So as you can see right now, I have a cast and I got a broken heel from the car crash. My car was totaled, but me and my wife are okay. And we both just had a couple of bruises. I had a broken heel and she had a broken arm. Her forearm got broken, both the two bones in her arm. But for both of us, we're doing just okay now. And funny enough, because I bring that up, you probably heard me say me and my wife. So, an update that you guys really should have known about a while ago was I did get married. I got married in March. For anybody who does follow me on Instagram or any other social media, you would know that I did get married, but I did in fact get married. And if you remember a couple months ago, it was the girl from the video when I said my girlfriend cuts my hair. Her name was Morgan. It's that girl. We got married. So, anyway, so I got married, and then additionally, as many of you know, I am still in school. I do have about a year left for my degree, but I am in school, which makes it really hard to upload, which is why I haven't been uploading in about 4 or 5 months. So when I'm off, it's a lot easier to make videos. And how this all happened and how the crash happened, I'll get into that later. But regardless, it's summertime and I have a lot of free time now, as you can probably tell. But anyway, I'll get into the crash. So what had happened was it was on July 3rd. I was coming down. I live in Idaho most of the year because that's where I go to school. And then I was driving down to Utah to meet up with my family. We were kind of meeting halfway. And as we were driving, I was heading down the freeway, and as I was, a song came on the radio, and I went to change the song on the radio, and there was somebody speeding behind me. So I got out of the way, the person who was speeding, and then as I get out of the way, move over into the right lane, and I go to switch the song on the radio. And didn't notice it was in just 2 seconds, and my wife was trying to get my attention saying, Cameron, Cameron, and I look up, and there was a semi-truck in front of us going 25 in an 80. That's just something you don't expect and something you don't plan for. So luckily, I have insurance, health insurance and car insurance, so that's all okay. But I just wanted to tell you guys a little update on what has been happening in my life and why I haven't been uploading. Things are going well, things are going okay, but overall just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's happening in my life. Not too long of a video, but I just wanted to let you know. And because I do have so much free time, hopefully I can be making more videos for you guys. I really love you guys. See you later. Officer Cameron says, wear your seatbelts or you might end up like me. But seriously though, we would have died. Make sure you wear your seatbelts. Because we were wearing our seatbelts, we didn't die. I'm out. And not dying is rad!
Oh shit, I just